Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the vehicle so backup assist can work reliably. Park level, engage park and the parking brake. This stabilizes yaw sensors. Next, turn the ignition to run and open the infotainment settings, then driver assist, then backup assist to activate the feature. You must confirm the camera and trailer harness are clean and latched because dirty optics or loose pins give false guidance. Once done, select the proper trailer profile so the system uses accurate axle and hitch geometry. You now calibrate the system to the specific trailer. This is the core of accurate backing. First, measure hitch to axle and axle to bumper distances and enter them precisely on the setup screens. Small errors shift the predicted path. Then follow on-screen prompts to set trailer axle offset and turn ratio. This lets the computer translate steering into rear axle motion. Make sure the rear camera view is level and centered. If not, adjust camera angle or hitch height because correct visuals prevent systematic drift. You're ready to use backup assist. Shift into reverse, select the trailer profile, and display the predicted path. Turn the controller or steering slowly. Smooth, deliberate inputs let the system predict trailer articulation. Watch the overlay and correct small deviations with gradual steering. Sudden moves confuse the math. If the trailer veers, make sure measurements were entered correctly, the hitch or coupler isn't loose, and the camera is clean and aligned. If problems continue, clear the trailer profile and perform a full recalibration to reset offsets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.